Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to learn how to find the lowest common multiple, or also called as least common multiple, of three decimal numbers. So the question is, find the LCM of 0.9, 0.36 and 1.08. So let me write down these three numbers first. So I have written all the three numbers over here. So in the next step, we have to try to make the same number of digits after the decimal point. For example, here you can see for 0.36, after the decimal point there are two digits. For 1.01, after the decimal point there are two digits. But for 0.9 we have been given just one digit. So we can make it as two digits by adding a 0 after 9. So here you can see we have added a 0 over here. It does not change the value of the number, it remains the same. So this is also called as a dummy 0 or an acting 0. So now you can see for all the three numbers, after the decimal point we have two digits for each number. Now in the next step we are going to consider these decimal numbers as integers. So for time being we are going to consider them as integers, that is 90, 36 and 108. Now we are going to find the LCM of these three numbers. Now using prime factorization method, I'm going to use the ladder method, or it is also called as the bus stop method. Now I have to find out the prime factor, the lowest prime factor, which divides all the three numbers. So here, since each number is ending with an even number, they are all divisible by 2. So the prime factor I'm going to use here is 2. So 2 45 times is 90, 2 18 times is 36, and 2 54 times is 108. Now the next number which is going to divide all these three numbers is going to be 3. And 3 is also a prime number. So 3 15 times is 45, 3 6 times is 18, and 3 18 times is 54. Now 15, 6 and 18, all the three numbers go in the table of 3. So we are going to divide it by 3. So 3 5 times is 15, 3 2 times is 6, and 3 6 times is 18. Now in the next three numbers, 2 and 6 go in the table of 2. So we are going to use the prime factor 2. So 2 does not divide 5, so 5 is taken as it is in the next step. 2 1 times is 2, and 2 3 times is 6. Now 5, 1 and 3, all three are prime numbers. So we are going to take 3 as the next prime number. So 5 does not get divided by 3, so it is kept as it is. And 1 is the least number, so it has also been taken as it is. And 3 1 times is 3. Now the last number which we are going to consider is 5. So 5 1 times is 5, and 1 and 1. So these are all the factors which we need to use to get the LCM. So here the LCM is going to be the product of all these prime numbers. So here you can see I have written 2 times 3 times 3 times 2 times 3 times 5. Now in the next step I have done a small change. It is always good to take a combination of 2 and 5, that is multiplication of 2's and 5's, because they end up giving you multiples of 10. So I have taken 3 times 3 times 3, all the 3's I have taken them together. And here I have taken 2 times 2 times 5. So further simplifying this, we get 3 times 3 we have written 9, 3 times 2 we have got 6, now 2 times 5 we have taken 10. Now in the next step, 9 times 6 gives us 54, and 54 times 10 is 540. Now this is not the LCM. We need to look at this arrangement which we had made. Now here, after each decimal point you can see two digits. So we have to put the decimal point in the LCM we have got in such a way that after the decimal point there are two digits only. So here if I put the decimal point here, there will be just one digit after the decimal point. So that is not the correct LCM. But if I put the decimal point over here, so you can see after the decimal point we have got two digits. So here the LCM of 0.9, 0.36 and 1.08 becomes 5.4 or 5.40. So this is going to be our answer, that is 5.40. So remember to find the LCM of the decimal numbers, get them all to the same decimal places, consider these numbers as integers, find the LCM regularly as you find, and after you get the LCM, put the decimal point back to the answer. Now there is one more question which you can give a try if you have understood this method. The question is, find the LCM of 1.8, 0.54 and 7.2. So you can give it a try to solve this question and leave your answers in the comment section below. I hope you have understood all the steps and liked the video. And if you found this video useful, then check out this playlist where you'll find more examples of this kind. And if you're liking my videos, like, share and subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching.